My third technology is ReadWorks. I really like this website because you can differentiate really easily, you can group students, and you can individualize what they read. So this is the home page, and I created a teacher page. It's free. So over here on the side, I can select what type of reading I want them to read. So I'll pick reading passages with vocab activities, second grade, and we will say science. As you see, there are even more categories underneath science. You can also select the Lexile level. So I want it to be between 300 and I'll say 400 and 850. So then all I have to do is find the one I want. I can listen to the story or read it for preview. I can see the steps they would take to read, so that's a little more scaffolded. The vocab they would learn. I can see the questions they would answer, and then there's also an ebook that reads it to them. Then when I assign, I can assign it what exactly they need to do. Do I want them to do the audio? Do I want them to do all of these? What vocab words do I want? And I can only assign it to one student, all of them, or I can assign it to a group, depending if you're using this for reading levels. You can also make a list of books that you want to save for future years. And then they have article a day sets. So if I want article a day, so like this week they would read all about birds. And then there would be a book of knowledge that goes with each day. They type 2 or 3 things that they have learned. And I can assign this to the whole group, one student, or just a small group. So why I chose ReadWorks, creates online assignments and assessments that students can do on their own. You can track their progress and it automatically grades their assignments. It's a great tool for building reading skills and allows for differentiation. Purpose was to show teachers the possibilities that come with this website and how it can benefit students, and show students how to use the website and why it's helpful. And my standards were to support educators and using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of students. So again, this website allows for differentiation to meet those needs. And then to develop learning assessments that provide personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. So this website allows teachers to see the progress of each individual student.